you bag a patient, you need two things. You need a face mask, and this is an adult face mask. You'll see there's a pointy tip that should go over the nose, and the more rounded should go over the mouth. This will be attached to a bag valve mask, and the bag valve mask will be attached to the oxygen on the wall. We can do this as a one-person or a two-person technique. First, we're going to demonstrate the one-person technique. You want to place the pointy top over the nose and the other part over the mouth. You want to place your patient in the sniffing position, and you want to make a C and an E. So the C goes around the top, and the E, you're placing your fingers on the patient's mandible and pulling the patient's face up into the mask. Then when you give your breaths, you want to make sure you give enough time for inhalation and exhalation. Again, think about pulling your patient's face into the mask as opposed to pushing the mask into the patient's face. If you have a two-person technique, it's basically the same thing, except you have one person who's bagging, and then you have another person who's holding the mask onto the face. It's the same C to E technique, and obviously you get a better seal if you have two hands holding the mask instead of one. The downside to this is that it just makes for a more crowded space at the top of the patient's head and bed.